Good afternoon, 47. Your destination is Marrakesh, Morocco, where civil riots are looming. Your targets are private banker Klaus Strandberg and Army General Reza Zaidan, two of the conspirators in a sinister plot to overthrow Morocco's fragile government. Strandberg, a former bank CEO who stole billions of dollars worth of savings from the Moroccan people, was facing trial for investment fraud. But early this morning, a band of heavily armed mercenaries freed Strandberg from his prison transport, resulting in the death of several police officers. Strandberg now takes refuge at his native Swedish consulate, in front of which crowds of angry protesters have gathered, demanding his handover to Moroccan authorities. We believe General Zaidan orchestrated Strandberg's escape to infuriate the public and spark nationwide riots, allowing Zaidan to impose martial law. Operating out of a field HQ at a nearby abandoned school, he will no doubt use the riots to depict the Rabat government as weak and inept, and persuade the general staff to support a fully fledged military coup in the name of national security. Our client, building contractor Hamilton Lowe, who stands to lose a fortune in government contracts, has hired us to prevent the coup d'etat. To do so, you need to paralyze Zaidan's rebel forces and prevent the riots from escalating further, hence the double contract. This is quite the political powder keg, 47, so be careful. The fate of a nation is at stake. I will leave you to prepare. Welcome to Marrakesh, 47. The situation grows more tense by the minute. The consulate is under lockdown, but the protests are only a stone's throw away from full-blown riots, and Zaidan won't hesitate to unleash his troops. So whatever you're planning, time is of the essence. Good luck, 47.
How's your father?
Doing well. Thanks for asking. He's upstairs right now. Okay.
Hey, you don't...
You're in. Good work, 47. Now to locate General Zaidan.
He's opening...
You're dismissed. General Satan's orders.
Against the wall. Any minute now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Is someone in here?
Good plan. Zidane won't expect resistance from a tied-up prisoner.
Where did that come from?
Time to decide. What should I do? But don't tell me you're sleeping, Syed. There's plenty of time for that, I'm sure.
Target down. Move on to Klaus Strandberg.
Attention, all sword down. Wow. I know. With your gun. For the people.
Oh.
Thanks. I never expected so.
You made it. Most impressive, 47. Now to locate Klaus Strandberg. According to the appointment...
Massage expert, Connie Engstrom.
Mr. Tough Guy, and I meant that in a good
It
way.
is not fair. It isn't. You can't keep me in here under these circumstances. If I had known, well, that's easy for you to say. You're not the one supposed to be doing deep tissue massage in a freaking war zone, okay? It is that bad, Donald, it is.
Okay, officer.
Believe me. Yeah, no, do not put me on hold. Don't think about cigarettes. Don't think about cigarettes. I control the habit, not the other way around. I control it. Don't think about cigarettes. What?
The VIP is down! Put on some real shoes, please.
Quick on the draw.
Connie Engstrom, monsieur. Here for an appointment with Klaus Strandberg.
Ah, Mr. Engstrom. Please proceed to the massage room. It's upstairs on the right. I'll inform Mr. Strandberg.
Klaus Strandberg. Go to massage room.
Sir, this is a
That is Klaus Strandberg, most wanted man in Morocco.
You gotta be kidding me. Hey, pick that up. What?
Sir, you can't leave that here.
What the hell is that?
You're dismissed. General Satan's order.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is someone in?
Please, no!
Good plan. Zidane won't expect resistance from a tied-up prisoner.
Time to decide. What should I do? But don't tell me you're sleeping, Side. There's plenty of time for that, I'm sure.
Target down. Move on to Klaus Strandberg.
General, they make it general at age 50. Excuse me. Excuse me. Don't military training at West Point. Silver spoon all the way. Number 4.
You made it. Most impressive, 47. Now to locate Klaus Strandberg.
It is not fair. It isn't. You can't keep me in here under these circumstances. If I had known, well, that's easy for you to say. You're not the one supposed to be doing deep tissue massage in a freaking war zone, okay? It is that bad, Donald, it is. Believe me. Yeah, no, do not put me on hold. Jesus, I'm craving. I should call my sponsor. Why didn't I bring chewing tobacco or a nicotine patch or something?
You throw me. Hey, wait a minute. Are you... No. You let me down, naked silhouette guy.
Hey, what's up?
Connie Engstrom, monsieur. Here for an appointment with Klaus Strandberg.
Ah, Mr. Engstrom. Please proceed to the massage room. It's upstairs on the right. I'll inform Mr. Strandberg.
Klaus Strandberg, go to the massage room.
Easy, buddy. I need to search you.
I repeat, Klaus Strandberg, please go to the massage room.
I think I just found a weapon over there. It was just lying around. All right, just stay here. I'll check it out.
Don't.
Yeah, okay.
Shit, but that's not the point.
Just need to frisk you, sir.
Wealthy, of course, with whom he had a daughter.
It's just procedure.
In the loosest biological sense. He filed for divorce shortly after the birth of their daughter.
Okay, you can go through.
Ex-wife later died from cancer. Strandberg saw fit to con his estranged team.
Ah, so the man with the golden touch. Well, let's get started. Shall we? Ah, this muscle tension is killing me.
Why don't you lie down, Mr. Strandberg?
Oh, please, call me Klaus.
Well done, 47. I will leave Strandberg in your capable hands.
Ah, that's the ticket. I tell you, nothing makes you tense like thousands of people wanting to kill you.
Both targets down. Now head towards an exit.
Oh, hey.
Whoa.
compromised, but I don't understand. There is no sign of forced entry, no alarms, nothing.
One of my people has gone missing in Johannesburg. A key bearer.
I wish I'd been informed. Still, the system demands 2 keys, and the rest are all accounted for.
Except for your late predecessors.
Cobb? But his plane went down over the Pacific. It was an accident.
Such was the conclusion at the time. Yes. People die, Mr. Fannin. Happens all the time, even to us. It seems like a conspiracy. Probably isn't. And yet, the failed coup in Morocco, the ether virus. Someone knows about us. There was a pattern and I failed to see it. Providence is under attack.
How much was there?
Money? Not money, Mr. Fannin. Information on all of our assets and operatives. Like you. Dig a trench, Director. And make it a deep one. Because none of you are safe anymore.